What if you could make a comfortable living online by just copying and pasting? Stay tuned to this video, and I will be introducing you to an incredible website that will enable you to earn as much as $400 every day online without requiring any prior expertise or work experience. It is also completely free and available to everyone all over the world. Also included in this video are bonus resources and free tools to get you started that will help increase your earning capacity. So without further ado, let's get right into this video and start earning. The Kindle section of the Amazon website is a space that individuals take advantage of to sell their ebooks online and make money off of them. From a quick visit to Amazon Kindle section, you will see that some individuals offer their ebooks for sale for $3.99, $4.99, and some even sell for up to $13.99. Right beside the price of the book is a number that represents the number of people that have left reviews for the book after their purchase. Take, for instance, the book Zodiac Academy by Caroline Peckham. This book sells for $2.50 and has a total of 9,518 reviews. This means that a total of 9,518 people have bought and read this book, and Miss Caroline has now made a total of $23,795 on this book alone. But you may ask, how can I make money from this when I'm not an accomplished author? Keep watching this video and I'll show you how to earn money from this without any writing expertise. You can simply copy and paste onto the downloadable templates that I will show you and sell them on Kindle. Visme is the second website I'd like you to see. This website enables you to create a highly appealing and professional Kindle book like this one that you can sell for a great deal of money without any prior experience. This can be done in a simple 3-step procedure. But pay attention to this as I will be walking you through these steps in the course of this video. Step 1 is to select a preferred template for your book. After choosing your template, you can move on to Step 2 and edit the template however you want and create your ebook. Here you can add whatever you like to personalize your books. For instance, you can alter the background, the font size, the font color, and pretty much anything else. And the last step is to download your book for free, upload it onto Kindle for free, and start making money. And now let's discuss these 3 steps in detail. The very first thing you want to do on the Visme website is to create your free account. Do this by clicking on the button that says sign up for free, and you will be taken to a new page where you can enter your full name, email address, and your new password to create your free account from anywhere on the globe. After you have signed in, you will be taken to a dashboard where you can see that there are a great number of projects that Visme can help you design, such as presentations, infographics, documents, charts, graphs, printables, and a couple of others. Click on the button that says Create New Project, and you will be redirected to a new web page to choose the project you would like to work on. From these options, you want to choose Documents, and you will be shown different document types like magazines, resumes, reports, surveys, booklets, report cards, newspapers, and so on. Of these, look for the one that says ebooks, and you will see various ebook templates that you can choose from, all of which are very professional and very beautiful. When you scroll down below, you will see that there are hundreds of choices of templates that you can just click on to make your ebook, and everything will be done for you automatically, so you will not have to spend any money. Looking through the Kindle website, you will see that there are various categories of ebooks that you can sell. You can consider making books about art and photography, business and money, or even education and teaching as well. For this video, we will concentrate on health, exercise, and diet, as this category is the most profitable, meaning that here you can make a lot of money online with little or no competition. Now that you have decided on the category you want to focus on, you can proceed to the Visme website and hunt for the template that's most appropriate for the category. This template that we have chosen here, as you can see, is highly professional and very appropriate for the health and fitness category. When you click on this preview button, you can see what is included inside the template. All 12 pages included in the template we have chosen have photos and a wealth of information designed to show readers the appropriate way to lose weight. This template already has enough information on the subject and is essentially a finished ebook that you can simply copy and paste. Once you have selected the template that is a good fit for you, you can go ahead and click the button to utilize it. On this new page, you are directed to where you can modify and alter your ebook however you want. One of the reasons why Visme is so recommended is that it allows you to keep all of the pictures in the ebook that are professionally done and gorgeous. So if we were to need information about calories or a diet plan, for example, there are already pages and pages of it in the template that you can just copy and paste and start selling on Amazon Kindle ebooks. However, if you don't like something on any page in the template, you can just double-click on it and alter the font size, the entire text, the text color, or any other modification that you want. Save for these modifications. Everything else is done for you, and you can just put your name or a nickname right there and change the title of the book. When you feel good with your edits, all that is left to do is go to the top and click the download button. You can do this on your phone or your computer, as this website works on any device available. Another website that you can use to copy and paste ebooks to sell on Amazon Kindle is freeplrdownloads.com. This website has a large number of ebooks in a lot of different categories that you can simply copy and paste and download for free. As said earlier, in this video we are going to concentrate on the health category. If you click on the health button among all of the categories displayed, you will be directed to another page with listings of various ebooks in this category. If you scroll down below, you will find hundreds of ebooks and done-for-you ebooks that you can download for free. If we use this ebook right here, for example, simply clicking on it will take you to a page where you can download the book. Scroll down here and click on the blue download button that you see. Sign up for a free account if you don't already have one, and you can download this book for free on your phone or computer. You can even diversify into another category if you want, using the free PR website without any previous investment. Once you have your ebook, you can now proceed to the Amazon Kindle website to publish it for sale. You can do this by logging in directly to the Kindle Direct Publishing website, which is kdp.amazon.com. When you get to this website, you can start publishing your downloaded ebooks and start making money as others do there. You can reach your target market quickly, as publishing on this website takes less than 5 minutes to complete. And your Kindle store can be accessed from anywhere in the world in as little as 24 hours. All you have to do is sign into your Amazon account or create an account if you don't already have one. Then you'll be taken to a new page where you can log into your secure account. If you are completely new to Amazon, scroll down here to see New to KDP. And this is where you can create your new Amazon KDP account for free by simply entering your name, email address, password, and confirm your password. From there, you can begin publishing your ebooks by uploading them on Kindle, where they will begin selling them automatically for you all over the world. And that's it. You are well on your way to making $1,000 income on every ebook you publish.